With the mood images of App4Sales, it is possible to give your customers a good first impression of your items and easily add the items to the order. Press Images in the main menu. All mood images that have been synchronized with the App4Sales portal will be displayed. It is possible to swipe up and down through the mood images overview. With the search bar, you can be able to search through the titles of the mood images. These titles can be set within the App4Sales portal. The filter icon lets you display articles which are in stock. It is also possible to view mood images which belong to the same product category. A mood image can easily be opened by tapping on it. After opening the image, you will be able to swipe through all the other images. Only mood images with connected items will be displayed. It is possible to allocate article filters from the App4Sales portal. A complete product category can be displayed when opening a mood image or display a selection of items. When opening the mood image, the items displayed within the image can be tapped. After tapping, the item will appear. By pressing the button on the right upper hand corner, the complete list with connected items will be displayed. These items can easily be added to the current order. It is also possible to share your mood images with customers by pressing the button on the left upper hand corner.